In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix AliExpress app not working. If you are having issues with your shopping experience, maybe you can't add items to cart, you can't open the app, or the app even keeps on crashing, or perhaps it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this issue. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to my channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and find your app. And in the first method, we want to access the AliExpress shopping app info page. To do this, you can go to settings and find your apps, or you can simply just long press on your app. So I'll just long press on AliExpress app. And to find app info, you can see we have it here. For your case, if you're missing this app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access AliExpress app information page. In the first method, we want to go ahead and clear data. And if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. Currently, you can see I have over 30 MBs of cache data. So these are just small files that this app has been storing whenever I've been using it. And for this reason, accumulation of these files might cause my app to malfunction. And to fix this, we need just to clear the cache data by tapping on clear data and choose the last option here, which is clear cache, and finally OK. Now you can see the cache data has disappeared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and open your app, and this should have fixed your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then you need again to go to the app info page, and this time round we need to clear all the data by tapping on clear data, and now choose the first option, clear all data here, and finally OK. And this should have fixed your issues. So in most cases, the first method should be able to solve your issues. However, if you are still encountering this challenge even after the second method, then head to the third method, and that is to go to Play Store, search for your AliExpress shopping app, and find out if we have any updates and update it to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you have been using an outdated version of AliExpress shopping app. Once this is done, now you'll have the latest version and you should be able to use it without any issues. But in some cases, you might still experience your app stopping or crashing each and every time you try to open it. For that, it means your app contains bugs. And to fix that, you'll need to uninstall your app completely from Google Play Store and even clear all the residues before you can install it afresh. And this will have fixed your issues. So by using any of these methods, you should be able now to fix any issues related to AliExpress shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.